Hi, this is Simon with Pave Tool. Today I want to talk to you about one of our most exciting pieces of machinery, the S19 paver laying machine. It is the fastest way to install pavers on the market today. The S19 can install a layer of pavers every 20 to 30 seconds. The secret behind the machine is the paver clamp itself. This clamp has 6 adjustable feet that can move in and out. It takes about very quick and easy to adjust depending on whatever the pattern is. You can adjust it to patterns that are square, to a running bond, or even can pick up herringbone pattern. The clamp can be adjusted and can work with very thin pavers, 40 millimeters thin, all the way up to 240 millimeter thickness. It's hydraulic powered and has enough power to pick up a layer of pavers weighing up to 1,200 pounds and measuring 16 square feet in diameter. The S19 is designed and manufactured by a German company called Optimus. Since 1978, they've been making specialized equipment for the installation of pavers. This represents over 40 years of experience. The S19 is powered by a 4-cylinder diesel engine capable of working in both cold and hot environments. You're looking at the ideal machinery for when you need to install large fields of pavers. You are capable of installing anywhere between 7,500 square feet a day to 20,000 square feet a day. Only 2 people are needed to install that amount. It is absolutely phenomenal machine and will easily pay for itself in the first year. In this clip from an installation, you're going to watch 2 workers place 280 square feet of product in less than 10 minutes. With 1 operator in the machine and 1 person on the ground, they're able to efficiently pick and place pavers. In every 20 to 30 seconds, they're picking up a layer of product. They're working with a product called Pave Tool that is approximately 12 square feet per layer. In 8 minutes, they're able to put down 23 layers of product. If you begin to do the math out, that's 2,100 square feet in 1 hour and 16,000 square feet in 8 hours. Absolutely incredible for just 2 workers. The S19 is truly unmatched when it comes to paver installation efficiency. The S19 is just one of our exciting products. Make sure that you visit www.pavetool.com to check out our entire spectrum of products. We have paver laying equipment that can fit on excavators that's capable of doing 450 square feet an hour or more. We have mechanical clamps that are able to pick up retaining wall blocks where suddenly you can move over 270 blocks in 55 minutes. All of our equipment is designed to make you work faster and more profitable. Make sure that you follow us on all of our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we look forward to hearing from you.